Hello everyone, welcome to Decipher. Myself Fawaz Abdul Majid, the Chief Operating Officer of Decipher. I am here to present about Solar Tree. So let's get started with my presentation. Let me move to the introduction. Nowadays, with the growing population and energy demand, we should take a renewable option of energy source. And also, we should keep in mind that energy should not cause pollution and other hazards. In this case, the solar energy is the best option for us. India is a highly populated country, so we should take the advantage of such an energy which requires a very less space to produce energy efficiently. In this case, solar tree could be the best one for us. We can also use technique called spiraling phyllotaxy to improving the efficiency of the plant. What is solar tree? A solar tree is decorative means of producing energy and also electricity. It uses multiple number of solar panels which forms the shape of a tree. The panels are arranged in a tree fashion in a tall tower. Tree stands for T, tree generating, R renewable, E energy and electricity. This is like a tree structure and the panels are like leaves of the tree which produces energy. The solar tree consists of mainly 5 parts of design: solar panels, long tower, LEDs, batteries, stems for connecting the panels. Spiraling phyllotaxy. It is a technique used in designing of solar tree. It provides a way to help the lower panels from the shadow of upper ones so that it can track maximum power from sun. The technology is used to improve efficiency of plant. Why we call it as a solar tree? The tree can produce their own food material by the process called photosynthesis, and leaves are producing food materials for human beings. Likewise, in solar tree, solar panels are producing energy for the society. So let's see how solar panels work. Photovoltaic cell converts sunlight into electrical energy, and this effect is known as photovoltaic effect. Solar cells essentially create electricity by converting photons of light into electrons. Solar cells producing DC current. The DC current is converted to AC by using inverter. Let's see needs of solar tree. Due to less land requirement, it requires less land as compared to traditional PV system. So we require such a plant which can generate maximum energy and minimum land. Efficiency and generation. It can generate energy very efficiently as compared to traditional system. It can collect energy from wind. The stems are flexible so that they can rotate in any direction, and by shaking themselves they produce energy also from wind as in the case of natural tree. The advantage of solar panels are ecologically friendly, decreased electrical bill, low maintenance and efficiency. Why is better than a traditional system? For the traditional system, we require large size of land. Example, to generate 2 MW power from a PV module, we require 10 to 12 acres of land housing of panels only. For the same amount of energy, we require only 0.10 to 0.12 acres of land in the case of solar tree. Applications: house supply, street light, industrial power supply, etc. Solar tree in India. India being a developing country and high population requires a power plant where maximum energy can be generated by using minimum land. We must try to produce energy from sun by using solar tree in our country to increase our per capita land and fulfill the growing energy demand. Let's see advantages. No air pollution. People can save money. People in poor country would have access to electricity, land requirement is very less and its disadvantages cost high may cause hazard to the birds and insects, hazard to eyesight from solar reflectors. So we can conclude that to fulfill this increasing energy demand the people, saving of land, this project is very successful one. This can provide electricity without any power cut problem. The extra energy can provide to the grid. Thank you.